Hello my friends, welcome to this quick guide. Need a Bitget API key to connect your crypto trading to platforms like TradingView or automate trades. I'll show you how to create one securely in just a few steps. So you need to log into your Bitget account at bitget.com. Ensure two-factor authentication and phone or email verification are enabled, as Bitget requires this for API creation. Head to the profile icon top right and click API keys if you're not KYC verified. Complete it now as new accounts needed. Click Create API Key and select System Generated API Key for simplicity. Add a note like TradingView, set a unique passphrase, save it securely and choose permissions per bitget.com. Alright, so press Create API Key. So as you can see, you need to bind any two-factor authentication, so you need to enable it first. Let me do that really quickly. Alright, create one. Then you can choose either of these, user-generated or system-generated. I'm going to choose the first one. So you can add a node, for example, test, passphrase, test. Yeah, that's pretty much the info you need to fill in. As you can see, we need to also enable permissions. You can read and write, read only. Choose the kind of services you need, sport, trading, wallets, whatever you want. After that, you bind the IP address and done. So this is how you create a API key. If you have any questions, drop them below. Like and subscribe, guys, and I will see you in the next one.